Hello, today I'm going to show you how to find statistics within the resource Historical Statistics of the United States. The first way to find these statistical tables would be to use the table of contents. For our topic, which is women in the workforce during World War II, work and welfare might give us the best results. So if we choose those, we see that there is an option to search within these tables. But there are also options that you can choose here by subcategories. So let's go with labor. Under labor, you see there are also more options. So we're going to scroll down to tables, and if you click workforce, you will see a variety of different tables available, all with various statistics. A second way you can find these tables would be to look under indexes. So with our topic focusing on women, let's choose under the A to Z index, the first letter being W for women, and second letter O. And then if you go down to the index terms, you'll see that women in labor force is the first result here under the terms, and you can then look even deeper into the various subcategories. So if you click on occupations, you'll see there are two different tables available. The other way I'm going to show you today is to look under the search tab here at the top. And under search for our topic, we're going to use keywords women, labor. Feel free to use whatever keywords would best suit your research needs. But for the purposes of this tutorial, let's go with this. You see there are some matches here, but they seem to be pretty broad. So let's try to narrow those down. And I want to make sure we're including the years for World War II. So we're going to put in 1940 to 1945. We're going to narrow our search. And these results look much more suitable for our needs. I'm going to click on the first result just to show you some of the options that are available within this resource. You can view the statistics right here on the page, but you also have the ability to graph the data, to download it as an Excel file or as a PDF. I hope this helped, and good luck with your research.